Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this digital clock widget on your home screen. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
Hi friends, and today we're just going to see how to get this digital clock widget on your home screen on any Android. It's actually a Google clock widget. You just need to update your clock application on the Play Store. Then click on the widget option, just scroll down. You can find an option called clock. Click on this. Now you just need to scroll to the side or swipe to the side. You can find option called digital. Just long press it or click on the add widget so you can just place wherever you just need it on the screen. Just leave it. You can have a two option, a solid and transparent widget. I just go with the solid so which have a material style. Just long press on the widget so you can just easily resize the widget like this. So this is how you just place this material digital clock widget on your home screen. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.